What if you already died in another universe? Or married your childhood crush? Or became president? And what if every decision you didn't make was still made by another version of you? This isn't just science fiction. Some of the world's most brilliant physicists believe the multiverse might be realer than reality itself. And if they're right, your life is just one page in an infinite library of parallel worlds. The idea of a multiverse isn't new, it's ancient. From Hindu cosmology to early Greek atomists, many cultures imagined endless worlds. But in physics, the modern multiverse theory exploded thanks to a few revolutionary minds. Enter Hugh Everett III, a 26-year-old Princeton grad student in 1957. He had one wild idea. What if every quantum event splits the universe, creating a new branch for every possibility? His many worlds interpretation was mocked at the time. But decades later, it found unexpected allies: Stephen Hawking, Max Tegmark, and Sean Carroll, to name a few. Today, even giants like MIT, Caltech, and CERN fund multiverse-related models, simulations, and quantum research. Let's simplify. At the smallest level, quantum mechanics, particles behave strangely. A photon can go left and right at once. But when we observe it, it picks one. Everett's theory says it doesn't choose, we just split. One universe sees left, another sees right. Imagine reality is like Netflix. Every time you make a decision, you don't pause the show. You duplicate the stream. New episode, new you. Or think of it like a book. Every sentence forks into new chapters. Your life isn't a line, it's a tree. Now zoom out. If inflation theory is correct, the universe expanded like bubbles in soda, each bubble its own universe. According to Dr. Andre Lind at Stanford, our cosmos could be just one bubble in a never-ending cosmic fizz. String theory adds more fuel, suggesting 10 of 500 possible universes with different physics. And here's the twist. AI is helping simulate these models. IBM's quantum computers, Google's Sycamore chip, and even NASA collaborations are exploring how quantum choices ripple into complex multiversal maps. A bit ironic. AI may help us prove we're not alone, even from ourselves. So, if there are infinite versions of you, who are you really? Do you have free will, or is every outcome playing out somewhere? If every tragedy is balanced by a version where it never happened, does that make our pain less real or more profound? Some philosophers argue this cheapens meaning. Others say it amplifies it, because your choices define this version of reality. But not everyone's convinced. Nobel laureate Roger Penrose calls it metaphysical excess. Others argue it's unfalsifiable, more philosophy than science. Still, the implications are staggering. If the multiverse is real, then somewhere you cured cancer. Somewhere you never existed. Whether the multiverse is science or speculation, it forces us to confront a profound truth. Every decision matters, because in this universe, it's the only one you get. So what if the version of you watching this is the only one who gets to ask, what will I choose next? If you could jump to one alternate reality, where would you go? And if this made you question reality even a little, like subscribe and step into more theories just like this, we'll be waiting in every universe. This is TheorySpark.